Did you know that the Prairie High School Library now has eBooks available for checkout? You can read these on your computer, on an iPad, or other e-reading devices. To access them, you want to start at Prairie Pride. You want to click on High School at the top, and on the left, click on Library. And right on our home page, we have a link that says PHS FollettShelf. Click on that link, and this will take you to our FollettShelf. There are different ways that you can use the titles that are available to us. This is what is called the cover view, where you actually see the cover of the book. And if you scroll over it, it starts to give you a one-sentence description about what that book is about. If you prefer, you can click on the list view, and you'll see how this changes the layout a little bit, where you can still see the cover of the book on the left. It also gives you the short description on the right. You can organize our books by the most recent ones that we've purchased, or a list from A to Z, or a list from Z to A. And you can also search for specific titles by clicking in the search box up above. Okay. To actually log in, there's a tab up here in the upper right. If you click on that, if you would put in your username and password that you use for Google Docs, this will allow you to check out the ebooks and do some other things that you can't if you don't log in. So let's say that I'm interested in The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes. If I just click on that box, it takes a minute to download, but not very long. It's pretty quick on our Macs. It will actually show you the book. Here's the front cover. I can view it in this view or a two-page view. I can zoom in or out to turn pages. I have this arrow down here. I can actually highlight in 3 different colors. I can add a sticky note. You just have to give it a title and write the note and then save, and it tells you what page you're on when you do it. And if you save it, it will save your sticky notes in this column over here. That's one way. To go back to the shelf at any time, in the upper left, click on FollettShelf. Then it gives you, or it prompts you, do you want to check this out? If so, you can click check out, or if you made that mistake and you want to continue where you were, just hit continue, or you can close the title. So I'm going to take us back to that original home page. You can read books online without checking them out by what I just showed you, or if you actually want to check it out so no one else can check it out and you can make sure you have access to it when you want it, all you have to do from this page is drag that book down to this bottom right where it says checkout. Let me show you that again. When you're just browsing the page, checkout barely shows. You have to look way down here. So just pick the title you're interested in and drag it down to checkout. That's all you have to do. Then, if you click on Book Bag here in the upper navigation bar, this will show you what you have checked out by default. Okay. This check symbol means this is what I've checked out. This symbol, this means this is my reading list. These are other titles that I have seen that I'm interested in reading at some point, but maybe not right now, and I don't have any in that right now. These are books that I have checked out or looked at in the past, and these are links which we don't have active right now. So let's say there's something that I want to read, but I don't have time right now. Okay, it's in the same bar down here where I had that checkout. Maybe I want David Copperfield, but not right now. I can just drag it to my reading list. And then again, if I go to Book Bag, now I have one checked out and I have one in my reading list. Okay. If you have questions or problems accessing or can't figure something out, please see Mrs. TD in the library. Enjoy the ebooks.